one of the things everybody will want to do is set up the Unity interface so that it's, well, number one, so it's better. This is not workable. And so that it matches what you're going to see in the other tutorials. Otherwise, it's easy to get lost. So the Unity interface is made up of these different sort of tabbed windows that can be moved around. You can go to the dividers and adjust the size of everything. And I don't know, this is literally like the worst default layout of any piece of software. So we're going to fix it. What we're going to do is, if it doesn't look like this, you can go up to this far right little drop-down menu in the upper right and choose default, and it should look just like this. In order to change it, we're going to go back up this menu and we're going to choose tall as a good place to start because you'll have that one. Then what I recommend is come up here. You have your scene and your game view are sort of stacked on top of each other. Select your game view tab and click and drag it down until it covers this bottom half. You can see it wants to snap as you move it around the screen, so we want it to essentially split so that we have our scene view where we're going to do our work and our game view where we're going to see our work stacked on top of each other. Hierarchy window, this is a great spot. Project window, this is fine. But I want you to come over here to this little triple dot menu and choose one column layout. We just see everything. And you have these little turn down arrows that will show you what are in the separate folders that are in here. All right, once you've got this set up, this is the basic setup. You can adjust these a bit as you want to, but this is how things will look when I will be doing the tutorials. Come back up over here to this menu here and say Save Layout. And then you can just give it a name. You know, I wouldn't use the name tall. I would give it a different one. You could, blame it on me. I'll give it whatever name you want. Then if, for example, something happens and you close a tab, right, and then you muck stuff up on accident, you want to get it back to where it was before, then you can always come back over here and choose that layout that you made. I'll choose mine, and boom, it puts all my windows exactly back where I want them to be. So that'll help definitely make things easier, particularly in the tutorials. And I've seen a lot of people who, except me, other than me, who set up their windows pretty similarly to this for their projects. So other tutorials that you might look at, say on YouTube or other places on the web, are more likely to be laid out like this than they are in the default fashion.